If you've never touched a press plate in your life and want some direction on how to improve your letterpress technique, this video is for you. Hello everyone, I'm Lydia and today we're going to take a little look at press plates and we're also going to show you how you can use them too. Feel free to pause this video wherever you want to so you can go through this with me step by step. I'll be using the new Blossoming Apple press plate for this demonstration. I love the design on this press plate. It features a variety of images, so branches, floral blossoms, fruit, leaves, and also a lot of sentiments. This is the perfect set if you want to try this out. So what are press plates? First of all, if you're new to the whole press plate thing, you might have some confusion about the terms paper crafters sometimes use. So let's break these down for you. Letterpress printing. This is a form of textured printing in which you ink up a plate and transfer the image using pressure. It can be known as relief printing or typography printing. It has been in existence for centuries. However, it's recently been popular among paper crafters to add subtle inked texture to their projects. BetterPress. So some people get confused between the words letterpress and BetterPress, so you might notice that we sometimes use them interchangeably. BetterPress is a modern mess-free letterpress system from Spellbinders, who we work closely with. That allows crafters to create professional stationery style projects with detailed impressions. The system is very easy to use and helps you take your projects to the next level. Finally, another term we use a lot is a popular product category in the Altenew store, so it's press plates. These are metal plates with unique designs that are specifically meant to use with the letterpress machine that Spellbinders has. Altenew has tons of unique press plates in our collection and they're easy to find on our website. In fact, if you go to altenew.com and hover over the word shop, you'll see hot foil and press plates right under crafting essentials. From there, you will see our full collection of press plates, from floral images to background designs to decorative sentiments as well. You will also notice that we have lots of coordinating products with many of our press plates, so you can also die cut or even add stenciled coloring to your designs. So how do you use press plates? Now let's do a step-by-step tutorial sharing exactly how to use these press plates. So first up, I have my press plate here, and this is the Blossoming Apple. And just look how pretty this design is. So we have the large image here and tons of different sentiments as well. So I'm just going to take the large image from the set and also one of the sentiments. Now, as you can see, these sentiments are mirrored. So that means that every design that you have will be mirrored when you pop this onto your cardstock. So you can see here that we have our system here. This is the BetterPress system from Spellbinders. These press plates are compatible with the Spellbinders BetterPress Machine. So in 4 easy steps, we're going to be able to create professional results. What I'm going to do is, once I have my images, I'm going to place the BetterPress plate onto the chase. So that's the magnetic platform that we have at the bottom here. And you can see that we have markings for the A2 size card and also a larger one as well. And I'm going to pop it into position where I want it to be on my A2 card panel. So once I have the design in place, I'm also going to add my sentiment in at the same time too. Next, I'm going to tape my card panel. So I am going to tape that onto the platen. So that's the clear top plate that we have with the registration marks on it. And I'm going to tape this in exactly the same place as we have the design on the magnetic place. And this is easy to be done because we do have the little markings on there. So once I have that done, I'm going to apply ink onto the press plate. I am using the jet black ink from Altenew. Our fresh inks work perfectly with this system, and you're going to be able to use all of the different colors in our fabulous fresh ink collection. I tend to use small circular movements and kind of glide this along the top of the plate rather than kind of tap it on. I find that this works better, but you could give the tapping a go if you wanted to and you find that that works better for you. Always do what's best for you. Once that is done, I'm going to lift up the clear plate and add that to the chase. Now you can see that both the top and the bottom have some magnetic elements, and this is going to mean that it's going to pop these right into position and it's not going to move. You are also then going to need a die cutting machine, and you're just going to run this whole BetterPress system through the die cutting machine, and that will add the added pressure that is needed to add the design and ink onto your cardstock. So once that has been run through, you can see just how beautiful that is. We have a slight indented texture from the design, and the ink has transferred perfectly. Once you get the hang of it, you'll be using press plates for everything. We have tons of card making, scrapbooking, and journaling tutorials on our YouTube channel, and also social media pages with unlimited inspiration and ideas to use different BetterPress designs. We hope this video was helpful to you, and we can't wait to see what you come up with in your own crafting space.
Hello crafters, Jen here. For more tips, techniques, tutorials, and to discover which paper crafting products are right for you, subscribe to Altenew's YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss